Alright guys, welcome back today for another What's on the Bench. Not really working on this one today, but thought I'd give it a video so we could go through, kind of show it to everybody. This is the Fijon FJ9 drift chassis. The body is from Killerbody. I think it's the BRZ. I forget if it's the Toyota, the Subaru, or the Scion. I wish that I was good enough to actually finish this body, but I'm not, so chances are it'll never get done. But this chassis is absolutely incredible. If you've been on the fence about getting it, I would highly suggest you do. There's just nothing else like it out there. It is belt driven. Revtech 6-turn X-Factor, Hobbywing XR10 Pro. Not crazy about this servo, but it actually does really good. I mostly just don't like it because it doesn't really blend into the car. It does one hell of a job though, so. But this whole chassis is just absolutely incredible. Traxxas Revtech wheels and tires. Now the cross member is an extra. You will have to buy it separate. It will not come with the kit. See if we can get it turned on here with one hand. All right. That's how you know you got a good servo and controller set up. Good feedback. This thing does move it pretty good. It's a 6-turn. You can even see the tires ballooning up. Absolutely love this car. Now, I actually think that the ESC is in blinky mode. It is. Which means it's not full power. So it's actually got a lot more power than that. Alright guys, I'll try to get a parts list down in the description. But once again, I do highly suggest this chassis. This chassis is really nice. It actually comes with a dash, seats, which I'm not even going to really worry about the seats. But I would like to put the dash on, get the body done. Recommend pretty much anything from Killerbody also. I have a finished Killerbody on my Traxxas Revtech, and I'll get it to a video of it soon. Alright guys, but that is my Fijon FJ9 chassis. Probably one of the most detailed chassis I have.